In this video, I will show you how you can send money from Australia to the Philippines. To do this, I would personally use Remitly. So if you want to use Remitly, just go to remitly.com. From there, you want to set your country to Australia, and the country you are sending to, just gonna set it to the Philippines. Then you will have this overview here. Just enter the amount you want to send. You can do a very low amount if you want, and you can see how much they will receive. From there, for the delivery method, you can pay bank deposit, mobile money, debit card deposit, cash pickup, and even a home delivery for just a $5 fee. Now for this example, I'll go with mobile money. From there, click on send. Now if you don't have an account yet, just gonna click sign up. If you already have one, you can just sign in. So from there, click send money. And for me here, it's the Dutch flag and euros since I'm Dutch. For you, it will be the Australian flag and Australian dollar, but the process is the exact same. So again, just enter how much you would like to transfer. Then you can select the delivery method. Now, usually this will be transferred if you entered it on the website that I just showed you. But for example, I'll select mobile money, and let's say I want to use Gcash. Then from there, you can choose how you want to pay for it. I'll do a credit card, and from there, click continue. Now enter the recipient's details, starting with their first, middle, and last name. Then enter their phone number. Then you can choose if you want the recipient to receive notifications. Then here again, just select your payment method and click continue. And then you will get to an overview with all of the transfer details, where you can also see how long it will take to transfer. And make sure everything is correct. If it is, gonna pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in the Philippines. So now you know how to send money from Australia to the Philippines. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.